Welcome. Today we're covering AI Governance Framework for SE Asia Businesses 2024 Guide. 93% of Southeast Asian businesses using AI have zero governance framework in place. That means no ethical guidelines, no compliance protocols, no risk mitigation, nothing standing between them and a lawsuit, a PR disaster, or a regulatory crackdown that could shut them down overnight. If that sounds extreme, it's because most business owners in the region haven't been paying attention to what's happening globally. The EU's AI Act is already reshaping how companies worldwide deploy artificial intelligence. Singapore's Model AI Governance Framework is setting the regional standard, and yet, most entrepreneurs in Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines are still treating AI governance like a future problem. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a practical, actionable AI governance framework for your business, regardless of your company size or technical expertise. Here's what we cover. Small diamond: why AI governance isn't just a legal requirement. It's a competitive advantage. Small diamond: the 5 pillars of a robust AI governance framework. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.